Sirikande mag Kaontis koro idwaro mondo kete tim buche mag jopiny kaka yo mar neno ni jogo ombulu oyudo thuolo mar bedo achiel kuom jogo mawuoyo weche mag dongruok. Riwruok mar jopiny e pacho ka kotelnegi kod riwruok jochul osuru NTA osiro wach mar tend Kaontis mondo ne ni jopiny oyudo puonj e wi omenda mag jopiny mondo gin bende gichiw pachgi e yo ma inyalo ti godo kod omenda go. Ka giloso e kaunti ma Nandi, jochung' mag riwruogno omedo wacho ni buchegi bende biro miyo jopiny thuolo mar penjo jotelo weche dongruok kaka yo mar neno ni ratiro onenore.
In terms of our participation, especially among the women and people living with serving population. And for I think the chamber since witnessed a lot of interest by the public. Our public participation forums have continued to attract more and more people, and this is courtesy of the structure that was established following this act, where we now have project identification committees, and every ward having 7 members of the project identification committee members.
Such kind of strategic and constructive engagement with the citizens has given the Nandi County to move this far. Having over 37 million being accountable in each of those county wards is not easy. We have seen other counties, allocation is given to the wards. The citizens do not understand what is that meant for. So I want to encourage the citizens of the Nandi County to continue working closely with their county government leadership and also the other relevant associations, other relevant parties, so that together we achieve the dreams of devolution.
That journey that we worked together into ensuring accountability, transparency, and ensuring the citizens are fully involved in the management of public finance has now led the county to be scored very highly in terms of the Auditor General report.